Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? You're welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be making coconut rice on a low budget, but very, very delicious. And I'll be twisting it by adding some suya. So here are the ingredients: my salt, my seasoning cubes, the suya. My crayfish. Why is this crayfish like this? I don't know. The color. And my rice. This is about 2.5 cups of rice. I have onion, scotch bonnet pepper, tilapia fish or bonga fish, my coconut. So the first thing I want to do is to blend the coconut, and I've done that. I've sieved this, the main milk. This other one I'll be reserving it for additional. I'll keep adding water to it if the rice requires more water to cook. So to my pot, I'm adding some vegetable oil. If you have coconut oil, that's the best for coconut rice. Nothing pressures me. It's on a low budget. I make do with what is available. So the oil is hot now. I added my onion, allowed to saute for like a minute or two. Then I went in with my scotch bonnet. So this is my bonga fish, guys. This fish, so sweet. I ate some while I was deboning the fish. So I like toasting it in oil. I don't know why. So I just add a little salt, seasoning cube. Now here comes the main milk. As I was blending my coconuts, somewhere on my burner, my rice was parboiling. So I'll be adding the blended crayfish. The one I did not blend, I'm not going to add it now. I'll add it after I've added my rice, so that I can be seeing it when I'm eating. I'll be chewing it. I'm adjusting the seasoning. I added just one seasoning cube, then I added another one now. Guys, my pot is not big. It's not big and it's not deep. It's a kind of wide. So this rice is not really much. It's like 2 cups, 2.5 cups. So I'm adding more of the coconut oil. You like this content, but you've not yet subscribed because I've not reminded you. But it's not fair. Please now, let me remind you now. Subscribe. Like the video, just give it a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section for me. I love you. So I'll mix everything up and then cover. So guys, our rice is halfway cooked. I'm now checking to see if I think it needs some more water. So I rinsed the coconuts, the remains of the coconut or whatever. I rinsed it again. Now I'm introducing my suya. I say it again, this is low budget. Even the suya is low budget. This is 1,000 naira suya. So what happened there is I didn't want to keep wasting our time. I added this carrot after the water. After that last water I added, and went down. It was almost dry, like when I added this carrot. I want it to still be crunchy, kind of. So by this time everything is properly cooked. I'll go ahead to just mix. Make sure you mix, as in put your spatula, your spoon down to the bottom of the pot. Bring everything out, bring the crayfish out, bring the bonga fish out, mix everything properly, and then guys, we are done. And here is me trying to test of course it is delicious, and I'm stepping it down with my chilled yogurt. Even though it is on a low budget, me, I will enjoy myself. So I want to shake the demon out of this yogurt, and it is entering my cup now. And from my cup to my hand, and then to my mouth, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.